Hey everyone, welcome to Joplin. Today I'll show you how to use this tool. I've seen many tutorials on using this tool. Really long tutorials, unnecessarily so I must say. As you can see, Joplin greets us with a note, right? Here we can view different notes which can be exported, deleted, duplicated, or moved to a notebook, okay? A notebook is basically just a folder, alright? We have the trash section for cleaning up and tags for categorizing notes. For example, if we have many math notes, we can tag them here, okay? We click on tag and add it. Got it? That's it. Then when we go to tags, we can put maths here, see? Okay, I'll take this other one and hit tags. Ah, this one already has it. Let's see if any don't have a tag. Okay, this one's missing a tag. I'll add maths, then click OK. Now when I open the tag drop down, see? Look, I click here, go to maths, and that's how we categorize things, okay? Here's the sync button, see? I think it syncs across platforms or to the cloud for access on other devices, right? To create a note, just tap this plus sign, okay? Here we can even choose an icon, see? And we'll just type hey here, alright? Type hey, hit OK, and there's our new note, see? As you can see, these are in the welcome folder, okay? These here, if we open welcome. You can also make folders or new notebooks, alright? Hey, okay, see? There's our new notebook. In this case, it's called hey. And this is basically what I've told you. Notebooks are just folders, that's it. It's not complicated, there's no big mystery to it, okay? I've seen people spend 17 minutes explaining this tool, but that's all you need to know, alright? Here in Files, we can create notes or a new to-do list for tasks we plan to do, okay? Things to do. In fact, we already have the plus button here. New note, new to-do, got it? In View, we can show or hide different sections if they're distracting, okay? Alright, if you've hidden the bar like I did, just press Alt, okay? And there it is, see? Click View, and you'll see Ctrl-Shift-M, okay? We can view the list of notes and not much else, yeah? There's not much more to show, really. We can zoom in if we want. We can navigate to different places, okay? In focus mode, sidebar. Okay, that's about it. There's not much else to discuss, alright? This is the tool, and, well, I hope you found this helpful.